This opt-in page is to collect the email of a prospect, and that is how I'm building my own email list. So, and I'm doing that by giving away a free course. So when someone opting in their information in my opt-in page, so when they click here, take the free course, and when they write their information, they will receive this free course through email. So that is like the first part. Then they will have access to the bridge page. Now let me show you the bridge page. I'm going to go to Funnel Freedom, and you can see right now I'm in sites and in funnels, and these are the funnel steps. For example, this one has 2 steps: the free course opt-in page and the bridge page. So I'm going to click on the bridge page, and then I'm going to show you the free course